So now we're moving into chapter 4, and chapter 4 is going to use what we've learned in the last chapter, the ability to determine the Lewis structure of molecules. We're going to use that to try to figure out the shapes of molecules and some interactions between molecules that affect the properties of molecules. So we're going to look at shapes of molecules. We're going to look at two geometries: electron geometry and molecular geometry, and the shapes that are associated with those. And we need electron geometry to find molecular geometry, and we'll talk about that here in a little bit. We're going to talk about electronegativity, which is an atom's ability to pull electrons toward it. And because of that, we're going to talk about bond dipoles. We'll then put bond dipoles together and determine if a molecule is polar. And we'll talk about intermolecular forces, so forces that occur between two molecules. And that'll be it. But this is a really important part of chemistry. These are kind of the fundamentals of the properties associated with molecules and their interactions. And these pieces are going to describe a lot of why a molecule does what it does and what it reacts with and things like that.